Hello friends, glad you could join me today. I'm working on a canvas size 12 inches by 24 inches. It is going to be a split base with black and white colors. Both of these paints are from Artist Loft. And then I'm going to be adding Liquitex Gold. Just those three colors. I'm not going to be using a hair dryer here, so I'm just going to use my mouth to blow it out, and let's see how this one goes. So the canvas is now flooded with Artist Loft black and white. Now I'm going to layer in the gold, white, black two times, and let's see how this one works. Okay, now let's pop all the air bubbles. Now let's start blowing it out. I already love the composition and I'm hoping that it's not ruined. So let's go. I think I'm done, and I really love this painting. So if you're starting out, if you're really brand new to pour painting and thinking of compositions, colors and tools to buy, this is a simple one. Just 3 colors, black, white and gold, and just use my mouth to blow it out. I did fix all these petals using a straw, just to make that petals look a little more extra beautiful. And fixing those petals really made this whole painting, whole composition look really good. So now I'm going to bring you down for a close-up, and then you can see all the details. Very minimal design with just 3 colors. So here we go. Here we go with the close-up. This Artist Loft White is known to create a lot of cells, and this paint, all these paints are mixed with Floetrol, 1 part paint and 2 part Floetrol, and a little bit of water. The quantity of water is adjusted to get a flowy consistency, and all of these paints have the same consistency. Look how the white has created cells in every petal, and the gold is going to give a nice shimmer when it dries. So there you have it. If you're trying fluid acrylics for the first time and thinking of what colors to buy, here you go. Just 3 basic colors, white, black and gold. And here we have a beautiful painting. If you did like this video, please do consider subscribing to support my art channel. If you've already subscribed, thank you for your support. So that's it for today. I hope to see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Happy pouring.